Hey guys, so just a quick little fun video. About a little over a year ago, I bought this GameCube controller from a yard sale. Very cheap. And, well, I decided to clean it up today when I rediscovered it. And it is disgusting. Here, I'll just show you a couple of the before pictures before I disassembled it. As you can see, there's white stuff all on the side. The back is all scratched up. It's terrible. This is definitely the nastiest GameCube controller you'll ever see. Probably, yeah. So anyways, now we'll get back to the insides. That's disgusting. You think it's bad on camera? It's worse in person.
I don't even want to touch this thing even after we clean it.
Oh, it's disgusting.
I thought I've seen a bad controller, but jeez.
This joystick didn't even work right. The C-stick I don't think works at all.
It's like something you'd see on YouTube.
Yeah.
This is even worse than a barn find NES.
Oh yeah.
Our main console. I don't know where this thing's been, but we gotta open up the Wii that came with it.
Here's the buttons. I don't even want to touch them.
No.
The left and right. Even the screws are just covered in crap and stuff.
Well, it didn't work, and I'm genuinely 1,000,000% not surprised.
And this obviously is missing the cover and probably can't even fit a new cover on there.
Yeah, no way.
I could. I'll see what to do about that.
We need one for our other controller too.
Yeah. But we'll provide an update. I've got a thing full of water. I'm gonna soak them for a little bit.
Dirt around the ring. We gotta disassemble that whole mechanism.
Yeah, that is just disgusting.
I genuinely don't think it'll ever be working right again.
We'll see. We'll update once we clean all this stuff up. Okay, update. I've since put everything in the water.
Well, all the plastic at least.
Yeah, we still have, obviously that it's not going in the water. I'm not putting any of the metal in the water. The screws I'll do later, the rubber I'll do later.
I forgot it only has one little top back button.
You can see the little joystick floating around in there.
There's no rubber on it. So.
Oh, the disgusting, I'm speechless as to how disgusting this thing was.
Yeah. Might need a magic eraser. I mean, who cares about the texture at this point? You gotta get that layer
No,
off.
the texture is gone. The joystick is so bad that I'm glad it's turned over so you guys don't have to see it.
I don't want to think about what was on this thing. Like, there's a little piece of plastic over here. A little bit of plastic came out.
Oh my god. That's disgusting.
Yeah, Sean, I'll just leave you to do this. I know you've never done something like this before,
disgusting.
This is so much worse than any controller I've ever opened.
That's
just wait till
awful.
we get. I want to see those PS2 controllers we have. We have a nasty PS2 controller.
I don't know.
Not on this level.
This is awful. Hopefully it better work after this, I swear. But
I don't know. We're gonna need a lot of compressed air.
yeah, that's just the update. The only thing that
Is that rust? All right,
that part
looks clean.
Actually, now that we have it opened, you can see a little trick Nintendo does so the wire stays in.
Oh, they use zip ties?
Put in a little zip tie. Yeah.
Oh, hey, those look exactly like the ones I used.
The wires broke over there.
That
I don't know if that might just be the around, so I'll just put a piece of tape on that, maybe.
That might be a cause of the issue. We might need a new wire.
Yeah, if we need a new wire, we'll get one. But that's the update.
Certainly do.
I'll let it sit in there for a few hours. There's another little update. You can see a lot of the dirt is coming off now. So specifically the dirt caught around the edges. Once I take this and I shake it down a little bit, see a lot of that dirt comes off. A little bit stuck up there, some in there. I just want as much of this to come off as possible before I do a deeper cleaning, which most of it should, which is the good news. Just a little update a few hours later. Still soaking in the water. I've replaced it once, the water. You can see it's kind of evaporating a little bit because of all the stuff on the sides. Not all of it went down the drain, but a lot of it did. And I made a very disgusting discovery. On the side of the joystick right there is a toenail clipping. Yeah.
Explain to me how a toenail clipping gets inside a GameCube controller.
I don't want to disgust you guys too much, so...
I can't even look at this thing no more.
I don't know how I'm going to take that off. Because it's all dirty and
Use
rotten.
tweezers and throw out the tweezers.
Yeah, that's it for this update. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Now that this is done soaking, I'll take it out, clean it up a little bit, get a magic eraser, get everything off. Hopefully the white dots on the front come off. This part, it's so disgusting, I'm gonna use gloves. Yeah, but we'll make an update once this is done. Now after like half an hour of scrubbing and cleaning, I've gotten the buttons to be as good as they possibly can get. A lot of them are kind of worn on the sides. This one, that's as good as it's getting. These shells, they are finished. That's not dirt or anything, that's just pure wear. Nothing gets it off. Same with the back one. So I might paint them or buy aftermarket ones. We'll see. Now here we are with a little status update. I tried painting it and it didn't work at all. I already scrubbed the paint off this side. See the primer, it's just stuck. This shell I'm done with. It's kind of scraped up anyways, so it didn't look amazing. Even a little after painting, which also screwed up. So then, I tried a 3D printed shell. In theory, it works. The only issue is the millimeters are slightly larger, or make it slightly, the millimeters are slightly larger, which make these holes slightly smaller than a real one. So buttons, they fit, but you can't click, it just stuck, it hits the edges. But it would have worked. The board fit fine. Sides go together. It's a cool color wood. But I decided to just do something else instead. And here's the final result. All the inner parts, these buttons, they're all original. The shell, I just bought off Amazon. I replaced these sticks. Here's the original ones. And unlike when I first got this controller, everything works now. Anyways, that is the restoration of a GameCube controller.